Hello everyone, welcome to PRV Solution. Today we will study reciprocity theorem. We will verify reciprocity theorem using multisim software. The reciprocity theorem is applicable only to a single source network. So it only used in the single source network, and it is not used in the analysis of multi-source networks. So this theorem states that the current I in any branch of a network. So the current I in this is the network and branch is CD. So current I in branch CD due to a single voltage source E. So I am applying here E voltage at branch AB. Anywhere else in the network, this current will equals to the current through the branch in which the source was originally located. Means this I current is equal to the current through the branch in which the source was originally located. Means here source was originally located in branch AB. So if I will measure this current I, if the source is placed in the branch in which the current I was originally measured, so the condition here is that I have to place this source in CD branch, then the current in this AB branch will be equal to the current in the CD branch. So in other words, the location of voltage source and the resulting current may be interchanged. So we can interchange the location of voltage source and current source. The theorem requires that the polarity of the voltage source have the same correspondence with the direction of the branch current in each position. So this is the reciprocity theorem definition, or in other words, we can say that in a linear passive bilateral network, means network must be linear, passive and bilateral, the response to excitation, means this is the response and this is the excitation, response to excitation ratio is always constant. Even we can change the input and output terminals are interchanged. So we can interchange these terminals. E will be placed here and this I will be placed here. Means current and voltage terminals can be interchanged. So this is the reciprocity theorem theory. Let us see its example. Here the excitation is 45 volt and this is the linear bilateral network, and we are measuring current here I. So this current must be same in this branch where the source is located. If I will put this source in this branch across 4 ohm resistance, then this value of current in both the cases must be same, or in other words I can say that response to excitation ratio of this network is equal to the response to excitation ratio of this network. We will verify this circuit by using multisim software. So let us design this circuit. So I have opened multisim online. So I need a voltage source, then I need resistance, twelve ohm, 6 ohm, 2 ohm, connect all the resistance to voltage source as in the example. So these are the connections. Change the values according to example: 45 volt, 12 volt, 6 ohm. Measure the current through 4 ohm resistance. So current indicator I will take here, and I will use ground node also here, and simulate the circuit. Find the current. So current is 1.5 ampere here. Now I will interchange the current and voltage source from in the circuit. Copy, paste. Now remove this and make a short here. Apply indicator here. Flip current measurement, because the current direction is from down to upward. Apply voltage source here. Now again simulate the circuit. So we can see that the value of current in both the cases is same. So in this case we can see that the excitation to response or response to excitation ratio in both the cases means here 45 volt by 1.5, and here I am also getting 45 by 1.5. so this must be same in the both the cases. So this is the proof of reciprocity theorem, and you can take your own example to simulate the circuits. You can also change the value of voltage here. You can use here any voltage value. Response is, and find the response again. So you will observe that the same current will come in both the cases. So in this way you can verify reciprocity theorem. Thanks for watching.